Do you need to use a separate shipping system like ShipStation or something similar for your online business? Shipping systems can be amazing, but it does mean paying a monthly fee to use them. So here are a few things to consider. First, does your e-commerce software have a way to ship orders? If it does, great. If not, you'll probably need to integrate a separate shipping system right away. Next, if your e-commerce software includes a way to ship orders, how long is it taking you to ship the orders? Generally speaking, a shipping system that's built into an e-commerce platform isn't going to be as efficient as separate shipping software. So, it's a judgment call as to when you need to make that switch. But a few things you should consider are how many orders you're processing each day and how long it's taking to process those orders. And of course, do you have better things to do with your time? Finally, not every e-commerce software is set up to ship with every shipping carrier, right? So if you need more shipping options than are included in your e-commerce software, you may need to integrate a separate shipping system that has more options available. For more tips, visit SavvyBusinessMethod.com, download the Savvy Business Method podcast, or check me out on Facebook and YouTube.